will be a slower suborbital launch with a speed closer to 1,000 miles per hour, 1,600 kilometers per hour, Mach 1.3 than 5,000 miles per hour. Portable monitor, Innovi HD 1080 pascals USB-C HDMI second external monitor for laptop, desktop, MacBook, phones, tablet, P5 power, Xbox, Switch, built-in speaker with protective case second 0.8-inch advanced IPS screen with 1920x1080 resolution delivers with 178 viewing angle, 16:9 aspect ratio. HDR rendering technology restore the real picture, stronger contrast. Offers you an awesome viewing experience. Mirror, extend, portrait model for your view plug and play USB-C portable monitor exclusive dual Type-C full can be connected with a single USB-C 3.0 cable. Full features super comb in the box. It definitely save your time and boost your efficiency. ZSCMALLS portable monitor 15.6-inch gaming monitor for Xbox, Nintendo Raspberry Pi Ultra portable monitor 15.6 matte monitor delivers stunning 1920x 1080 resolution IPS screen with Ultra HDR option. Designed for portable with only net weight 1.42 pounds and 0.39 inch. For traveling plug and play feature. The USB-C portable monitor has impressive feature of plug and play that doesn't require any driver installation. Compatible with Thunderbolt 3. Support mirror and split screen mode. Increase your productivity and your gaming pleasurable. Great choice for dual monitor or third screen smart design. Portable monitor LEPO 15.6-inch computer display 1920x1080 Full HD IPS screen USB-C gaming monitor with Type-C mini HDMI for laptop, PC, Mac, phone, Xbox, PS4. Includes smart Full HD 1080 petapascals display. LEPO USB-C monitor delivers stunning 1920x 1080 resolution visuals with awesome color reproduction. The IPS screen delivers you a vivid image and an awesome viewing experience when connection. LEPO monitor is compatible for laptops, PCs, phones, PS3 power, Xbox One, Wii or Switch, etc. You can connect your devices to this portable monitor easily via Type-C or mini HDMI port to play business presentations, games, videos, TV series, photos, etc. Smart cover screen protector. The smart cover is made with a durable PU leather exterior.